A long history of more than 30 years traced back to TAI Chemical founded in 1991. Beside the Taipei factory, we also built a second production facility in Yunlin County, gradually improving production efficiency and capacity and contributing to our hometown.
Hello guys, this is TAI Chemical. We are specialized on silicone industrial. Let's take a look.
TAI Chemical has an excellent R&D team and a professional R&D center, driven by rigorous research and innovation. Innovate a variety of silicone products, add diversification, identify customer needs and meet them. Textile film modifier, release agent, deformer, car detailing. By using professional equipment during product development, also serve as quality check. The Yunlin factory has the larger production and storage area, corrective, cleaning, education, and safety discipline. Store oil in several tanks to ensure that raw materials are secure and enough for capacity. Ensure that the machine and equipment are operated by professionals. Neatly arrange the inventory. Facilitate work process by organized in-plant circulation. Beside working, the boss and employee grow fruit and vegetable together. Organic and chemical-free, eat healthy and safely. TAI expects its employee to eat well and exercise regularly, and sporadically going out to dinner foster interpersonal relationships. Self-use solar power generation contribute to sustainable development and social responsibility. Engage in active participation in foreign exhibit and pursue exposure and global cooperation. Using our expert fleet, we quickly deliver to a client from all over the world while strictly enforcing quality control. Made in Taiwan to the world, create more opportunity for Yunlin to flourish.